Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. Larissa is here, 61 and fabulous, traveling in Mexico and living my best life here. In today's video, friends, we are doing a condo tour, one of the best places in Bucerias. I have stayed here for over 3 months and I absolutely love it. For security reason, I didn't show this place until now when I just moved out. So let's go and I show you around. Come on in, let me show you around. Okay, we're gonna start right here in the living room. And the third thing I love about this place is light. Look at how bright and how much light is here. So we have two balconies and I keep both balconies open so the airflow is perfect. I don't even use air conditioner. So let's go on the first balcony and we're gonna check it out. Look at this gorgeous view of the mountains. And right now it's July and it's rainy season and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's all green. Just love it. Let's check the living room. I absolutely love my living room. From the first time when I walked in, it's so bright and a super comfy couch. So it's not too soft, but it's firm enough. And lots of pillows. I was recording lots of videos here, so it was nice. Now the kitchen, what I love about kitchen, as you may know, I already said about that so many times. I love to cook. And when I rent the place, one of the first things I check is the kitchenware. And here I love it the most because it's eco-friendly, chemical-free, and it's no Teflon. The place is not too big, it's about 600 square feet, but it has a lot of room to store your luggage. For example, like I showed you, this storage is pretty big with a laundry machine, and here I was keeping my luggages. One more thing I want to mention about this place, appliances are one of the best I've experienced in Mexico. Now I'll show you the bedroom. Let's go. Very comfortable bed, very comfortable pillows, but the most important, look at that view, guys. I usually sleep with the open door, just a screen, right, so the mosquitoes don't get in. But it's so close to the ocean, so at night time I would fall asleep by listening to the sounds of the waves. I actually use this balcony more often than the first one because in the morning I love to have coffee right here and just kind of meditate, listen again and look at the ocean. And in the evening time, we have dinner here with a glass of wine. And by the way, guys, right there on the corner of the street is an Italian restaurant. It's called Mark's. And they play absolutely amazing music. It's nice and soft, so it's so relaxing. Listen to the music, have a glass of wine, and meditate. Awesome! quick peek at the bathroom. Now let's look at the amenities.
Name of the owner is Frank, and him and his team provide absolutely fantastic service. They make you feel as a part of the family, like you are at home. Place is sparkling clean. Lydia is here every day making sure it's spotless inside and out. Friends, if you're planning on coming to Bucerias for holiday, I highly recommend you to stay at Costa Bucerias, link below, and please don't forget to say hi from Larissa to Frank and his team. Location of Costa Bucerias is absolutely fantastic. It's close to the beach, only 2 blocks, and lots of restaurants around. Let's go, friends. I'll show you around. So here I'm walking down the street towards the ocean. I'm gonna stop on the corner of the street and show you the Italian restaurant I was talking about. So it's just right here. Right here. Great food. So once again, if you're here, check it out. Let me just show you 360 degrees. So this is a corner. Okay, and we're gonna continue this way to the beach. Okay, friends, 2 minutes later, we are at the beach. Waves are huge today because we had a storm last night. Not too many people, but my point is just to show you it's beautiful, it's close by, it's gorgeous. So this road I'm walking down right now is the main road in Bucerias. It goes from one end to the other, all the way to Decameron. It goes in parallel to the beach, and it offers a lot of different restaurants, coffee shops, art galleries, boutiques, and much more. Check it out, friends, if you're here. That's all for today's video, friends. I hope you like the tour. Leave me your comments below if you like the condo. Thank you for watching, everyone, and ciao ciao until the next time.